Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Pallavi and our today's topic name is please explain the JVM, JRE and JDK. So we will see one by one and see their explanation. So first one is I will tell you what is mean by JVM. So JVM is called as Java Virtual Machine. It is called as virtual because it not exist physically, and Java virtual machine configuration is different from other operating systems, and Java virtual machine is platform dependent because it's run the code in Java runtime environment, and it's also very useful because Java runtime environment run the any program which is written other language. So JVM is very helpful to us. JVM have three notions. First one is instances, specification or instances, specifications or implementations. In that instances having a Java virtual file which is called as instances, and Java having command prompt. We can write on command prompt Java command. They to run the Java class, it create a JVM instances. So specification, in that specification Java it saves the Java all of working. So specification are used to store a full working of Java. And third one is implementation. Implementation in that use all Java runtime environment. So JRE, it contains JRE files. So it is one of the most important notions in present in JVM. The second one is JRE. JRE means Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment which is help to develop and create the applications. Java runtime environment are used to create software development toolkit, and it is also contains the many JRE file which is used by JVM when runtime program. And third one is Java Development Toolkit. Java develop JD. It's short form of JDK. JDK means Java Development Toolkit. It is used to store a software tool, and which is helpful to develop a application. It's also develop a applet viewer and other that Java development toolkit also contain many JRE files. JRE files means Java runtime files, and it's having only we can store Java platform. So it's variable, compiler, interpreter and archive files in including Java development environment. So first one, I will tell you something about variable. A variable are called as container. It is also called as data type, which contain and which hold the value of variable. There are some rules to declare a variable name. First one is variable name should be in digit, letter or underscore, and second rule is it can be only having first letter on uppercase or underscore. And third rule is to assign a variable name. There is no rule to how long a variable name. There are three main types of variables. First one is local variable, instance variable or static variable. In local variable are declared inside the body of class, and it local variable scope having only open curly braces to close curly braces. And second one is Instance variable are declared inside the body or inside the class but outside the body. Instances variable are called as instances variable because of it create the specific value and it cannot be share of all instances. Third one is a static variable. Static variable are called as it is declared with the static keyword, and if you want to create a single copy of static variable, then you can create a single static variable copy and its share of all instances. It's also allocated the memory when class is loaded into the memory. That's all about today. Thank you so much.